Hello everyone. So we are going to study today domain, codomain and the range. These topics are very important because in any examination, maybe possible you are preparing for college examination, any competitive examination, I'm definite sure that one question will come from these topics. They can ask you about domain, codomain or range. Okay. So mostly this question will be seen as per the perspective of the function, but you will read this from the perspective of the relation because the relation is a core and function has been derived from the relation. So first of all we will study this topic as per the relation. Same criteria will continue in the function wala part. Okay, so first we will understand that these are the set here, a, and here there is a mapping. Okay, you understand mapping now, means you are defining some relation like this. A relation contain element like x comma y, where y is equal to 2x. Okay, such that it means that x is belonging to a and y is also belonging to. Okay, done. Like this. So, if I will give you relation, then maybe possible you are defining y equal to 3x. If I will give you some other person, then relation can be different. It doesn't fix. Person to person will be different. So if I will do this mapping, then one will going to map with 2 and 2 is going to map with 4. Only this one, not other. Okay, so what are domain here? So basically domain are those value whose output exist. Okay, if I will make you understand in terms of function, then basically function is a machine in between. You can say domain are those value for which the value of the function exists. If I tell you about this, is the value of the function 3 is existing, is 3 has been mapped any value here? No, na. So domain is not 3. Domain is basically those values who have output, who have images. So right side basically is called as the images and left side is called as the basically input. Okay, not all the input are the domain. I'm going to write here inputs, or you can say images or output here. But among all the inputs, only these two values are the domain because they have the image here. They are going to map with someone. Okay, not all these. And the full set is called the codomain. Codomain. Okay, understood? And here the output of the domain is known as a range. It means only 2 and 4 will come in the range wala part. Here range. So if I tell you that what is a domain, then you will write domain are those values whose output or image exist. Understood? Like this. What are the range are the output of domain. Okay, and what are codomain? Codomain means basically the full input, full set. Codomain is the are all inputs. If I will make a set here, I don't know, wait, to where my image is located here. So let me write here the set form here. So domain will be, let me change the color here. Domain, okay. 1 and 2, ठीक है. Range is 2 and 4 and codomain is full set, only left wala set, not the right one. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, only this one. Understood? So let us discuss all these with the help of some example, then it will be fixed in your mind. Okay, So read this question here. Pause the video and then read this question here. They are telling that you have a set here a equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6, and they have defined a relation from a to a like this. So I'm depict this relation using an arrow diagram. First of all, you have to make a arrow diagram. So right now I'm going to make these two set like this. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, again 1 2 3 4 5 6. I don't know what will be the mapping, but I'm going to prepare this full set. They are telling that only those elements will come in the relation who satisfied this equation. It means the image should be 1 plus in the, okay. So if I will map 1, then it will be go to 2, it will go to 3, it will go to 4, it will go to 5, and 5 will go to 6. 6 doesn't have any image because it will exceed its output, so we can't map 6 with anyone. Or here you can say 1 doesn't have any in pre-image here because 0 is not present here na. 1 will come only when 0 is present here na, so we cannot write this as na. So what will be its relation? It will be 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, and 3 comma 4, 4 comma 5, and 5 comma 6 like this. So we have done. Make the arrow diagram here like this. They are asking what are the domain, codomain, and the range. Can you tell me what are the domain, codomain, and the range? Domain basically the element who have images. So I can write 1 2 3 4 and 5, only these one. What are range? Range basically be the output of the domain, so that will be 2 3 4 and 5 and 6, only these one. What are the codomain? Codomain basically will be the full set, full left set. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Understood na? Okay. So now we are going to move. Just pause the video and note it down. I'm going to move forward. Now again pause the video, read this question and try to do by yourself. I want you to try this one by yourself. So I'm going to make this set faster. Here you can see that A contain 1 to 14 element. It means it contain more elements now. How will you make all this set? No, you are not going to make all this set. What you will do, you will just write 1 2 3 dot 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 and 14. Here again I also writing here 1 2 3 dot 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 14. And they will not tell you to make arrow diagram because they know that if we are going to make arrow diagram, then it will occupy full space on the page. So we should not make the arrow diagram. Neither they will ask you. Define a relation from R2 by like this. So first of all, you have to define a relation. It means all the elements. So here you can see that if I will equate 3x equal to y, so y will be 3x now. So I can say that 1 will be mapped to 3 because y will be 3 multiply 1 now. Y will be 3. 2 comma 6, 3 comma 9, and 4 comma 12, and 5 comma 15 will not come because 15 is not present here now. Are you getting my point? Right side are those values which are presented here. If you try to write 5 comma 15, then 15 is not present here now, then you cannot bring here. Okay, so this is the relation basically. So they are asking domain. What are the domain? Now we can write domain here as 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. What are the range? Range basically the output 3 6 9 12. 3 6 9 12. What are the codomain? Codomain basically the full set, left side set. Codomain basically 1 2 3 dot 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 14. Understood na? Okay. So right now we are going to close here, and we are going to move in the next video. There we will have some more questions. more new type and type of the function. I don't know what video I'm going to make next one. Okay, so let's meet in next video.